If you are waiting for an H1B or H4 visa interview in India, this update is urgent.
Hundreds of Indian
H1B applicants.
New interview slots in India.
holders who return to the country to renew.
Mass rescheduling is happening right now and hundreds of appointments are being pushed away into late 2026. Here is what's going on. Over the past few weeks, US consulates in India have been cancelling and rescheduling thousands of H1B work visa and H4 dependent visa interviews. Appointments that were scheduled for December 2025 and early January are now being pushed to February or March. But reports from immigration attorneys says it has gotten worse. Some interviews originally scheduled for mid-January have been deferred all the way to October 2026. That's nearly 10 months out. US authorities attribute the delays to expanded social media screening that requires additional processing time. Starting with December, consular officers began conducting enhanced vetting of applicants' online presence, and this is taking significantly longer per case, and the human impact is severe. Many professionals already travel to India expecting quick visa stamping to return to their jobs in the US. Now they are stuck. Some had booked leave, arranged travel, even separated from family, only to get cancellation notice days before their appointments. Immigration attorney Sangeeta Mundanthan from Somerere Law Group told the American Bazaar that direct legal action against these cancellations is difficult. Her advice is to document everything carefully, try to negotiate remote work arrangements with your employer if possible, or request extended leave. The US Consulate General in Hyderabad confirmed that the State Department regularly shifts appointments to match the resource availability and will communicate changes directly to affected applicants. But for hundreds of Indian professionals, that communication often comes with very little notice and no clear alternative timeline. Some applicants whose dates were pushed to October are now urging people with January and February slots to cancel their appointments voluntarily, hoping vacated slots might allow deferred cases to move up. Indian expatriate forums are filled with anxiety and frustration right now. For students watching this, if you are confused about visa timelines and need help finding countries with more stable processes for your masters, reach out to Edumox. We can help you shortlist options where these kinds of disruptions are less common. Link to the full report from the Federal is in the description.